Case 1. Object lie in rare medium and the image formed is real. Object lies in rare medium and the image formed is real. First we draw a ray diagram for this. This is a glass spherical surface. After that, we make principal axis. Principal axis. Before starting the article, we must draw the normal on the surface from the center of curvature. From the center of curvature. Now we assume a point side object is placed on the principal axis x dash. It reaches up to the convex spherical surface, which is made up of glass of refractive index mu1. This is an rare medium having refractive index mu1. Glass mu2 and air mu1. If the glass surface or the denser medium is not there, then the light goes in a straight line towards L. But due to movement from rare to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. It bends toward the normal. And the image formed behind the center of curvature. Now we drop a perpendicular from the surface to the principal axis M. The point we have taken is K. The angle between normal CN and incident ray is I. The angle between normal and a refracted ray is R. We assume object formed an angle alpha, image formed beta, and this is gamma. Let angle KOM alpha, angle CKI CIK beta, angle KCM gamma for object, for image, and for center of curvature. Center of curvature. Let OP minus U, PC plus R Object distance, radius of curvature, pi v. Object distance, radius of curvature, v. Image distance. V is image distance. KL perpendicular on x dash.